So you were on the ground to serve the langar to the flood affected people. How feelings?
This is the Shivsagar railway station, and a lot of affected families have come here from the surrounding areas, and Global 6 has been, they get dry ration and everything, but they have no stoves to cook. So we make the food and bring it to them, and we do this every day. For last 7 days we've been doing it, yes.
So this is actually very novel work to serve these flood affected people, and you also participate, and lots of people have gathered here to participate.
Yes. Yes, I mean, humanity is above everything else. Wherever something goes wrong, I think the Sikh people are always there to help. I've been working with the same team of which is now Global 6 for past many years, and on ground work that they do is amazing, and I would just urge everybody to contribute in whichever way they can to help people, not just here, wherever there is problem. As a human being, it is our duty to help our fellow human beings. So that's why we are here.
Tomorrow you are also planning to go to some the flood affected areas to meet the affected people.
Yes, yes. The team has already done a lot of research on what they need. Mostly people need immediate relief in everyday amenities and food and things like place to sleep, a mattress, a tarpaulin, basic household toiletry items, so stuff. So we are making kits and we'll be distributing it to whoever needs them. And our team is also out there looking for people who have not received help yet. So we are trying to do that as well.
So many people are come up to help this initiative, and across the country, many people have actually to come to Assam and to help these flood affected people. So do you want to appeal others also?
See, you can help by being here and helping on ground like I am, or you can pray for people, or you can contribute to some organization which is working on ground directly related to the relief work. So there are many ways you can do it. It's not necessary that you come here, but definitely everybody should come forward and do something or the other, yes.
Thank you.